Lesson 2. Abbreviations for the picking, strumming fingers. Each finger on the picking strumming hand has a name. The name of each digit, along with its abbreviation, is pulgar, thumb, P or T, index, I, middle, M, annular or ring, A, chiquito or little finger, C or E. The Spanish word for thumb and little fingers are pulgar and chiquito respectively, and their appearance here may seem somewhat out of the place. However, the abbreviation P, not T, and C, not I, are ubiquitous in classical guitar scores. In modern music scores, the letters T and E have become more commonplace. It should be noted that the chiquito finger is rarely used unless it is to play chords that have 5 or more notes.